Hello, in today's Skypress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scrape websites with Skypress Search Engine Scraper. Remember, to only scrape sites that you have permission to scrape. Skypress Scraper will not be able to scrape sites that run Cloudflare. Are you ready? Let's get started. Log into your Skypress account. Now select a search engine template. Now scroll down below Application Settings, and click Settings across from Search. If you want the scrape results to show up in your search engine's results, turn off API and make sure the search feed settings is set to internal pages. Under Options, click Crawler List. Click Browse to select your crawl lists. Your crawl list should be a text file with one URL per line. After you've selected your crawl list, click Upload to upload your crawl list. After you've uploaded your crawl list, click Run Crawler to crawl all your sites within your crawl list. Sites that use Cloudflare cannot be crawled and may show as not found in the crawler. After crawl, close Upload Crawler List box. Click Save and Publish to save any changes made to your search engine. Click Back. Click My Site to view your site. Now make a search. The scrape results will now show up. Crawl lists and scrape results are saved in your beta folder. So if you need to back up or move your search engine, save all contents in your beta and My Files folders for easy search engine transfer. That's all for this tutorial on Skypress. Thanks for watching.
Brought to you by the Power Script.